Yeah, send one. Ma, I promise. The cock. Usaba ukuthi nginayo ma. Hayi ngisengona ukuteliwe. Ngitshela. Mina ngizokusendela. Ungisendela mfethu. Does your wig shed a lot? No, it doesn't shed a lot. Ma? Oh, mama, give you life, please. Give me the show. And I bet love you, Flanky. I think I'm going to shoot Collie. Man, jacket. Yeah. Right, kahle. Right, isha mafuta mama. Ngilale ngingashukulile. Vanga lutho manje ihlangene. But Yona, it is the best for njoqamba mama. Azikho phela vele inwele engaphumi emhlabeni. Ngaba ngazi phela uyini wena. Kodwa nje. She writes. Hello, Simpiwe. Darling, mommy, darling, mommy. Yeah. Ah, sweet. Oh, sisa dong yapi. Mawukahle. Ngimncisha ngu-Enzi. Ngirayithi mfethu wena? Usuyaphi? Ngizokutshela ku-WhatsApp ukuthi ngiyaphi. Because abantu. Close the door, please. Oh. Where do you buy? So I'm going to be selling jeans soon. So yeah. Thank you. But ngizobuya kuwena kodwa uzibiza ngo-Amahla ngazi ba isibongo. Yes. Yeah. Yathanda ngizokusendela onqane ukuthi ngisho lana manje. Hi ma, hi. Mira. Okay. How much will they be? Wanna be your first customer? Okay. So ama price ngizongitshela masesekhona. But you'll be the first person we don't know. Me? Please. Okay, good. Use brush to comb the hair and use the pink comb to straighten the hair. Okay, so inkinga amakama awekho la kumngana manje mengiqale ngilanda isikhwama sami kumngana ngiqala and then yabo manje I'm working with what I have right now. unozipho uyazi ngihlala eWestville. Cha ngikulaphi nje ma ngishilo bayabuza phela abantu. Yoba hayi kahle nje. Chocolate chocolate. Yawuza umnandi kanjani? Ngipha.
Mina chocolate. Hello. Give your sister chocolate.
Say we will cut this guys. Angipha phela ama-chips nami. Mike. Come this side. Where? I want nama chips.
I'm fat. I say how much.
Thank you. Sorry. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, don't I?
I'm not gonna burn my hand.
What? That's fine. All of it. Yini?
Rosa.
Yini?
Delicious on the phone.
Delicious on his phone. Ngicela kuyena phela. Dali wami. What's the name? It's GHD. GHD. Yeah, leyakudala, but not the new rebranded one. Into eyababa yisekudala ngazi abantu bathi so. Ngiyayibona leyo nto kudala. What's in it? Got a chocolate time and take one. Hi baby. Yeah, oh John. Did Amasa treat me? Was it nice? You like it? Guys, I don't think that's a for shame. So cute. Open those GPS. Eh? Ya cuándo? No si puedes. Ayisala ukuthi ngilaleleni. Ngiyayisala ukuthi angishuqulanga ngani. Dali wami, dali wami, dali wami, ngowami, my love. We kwandona, kwando. Ungithathele laptop yami lapha phezulu.
Uthathela bani
Ngizela umculo. Vele. Ikuthumela phela manje leli. Kuthumela ngenamali. Yeah. The hair is from Hewata. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Also, one dog took the laptop.
I told her to take it. Mama, I'm Kwando is taking the laptop. And I'm in my love. How about touch you in? Manja nyapia Kwando. Guys, yeah, I used to see you with Fundi. Yeah, that's my friend. Gorgeous. Hey, Amanda. Daliwami, daliwa, daliwami, ngowami, my love. Yeah.
What's that going to do?
Sindla ingoma guys. Hamba ekamereni lakho tati. Baba la, izodlala ingoma ngoba ngumsindo ma. Yes. Umsindo abalengane ezine-star effect. How?
What's this sweet?
Sweet?
What's sweet?
What's the movement?
Wow.
Oh.
Which color you want? Or red or blue?
Bukan laphayana Kwando, lapha. Lela tafula lelana.
Ma, follow this one.
Yes, Papa.
How many is that?
4, Papa. 4? Yes.
Ufuna this one, ma? Ufuna this one, ma? How many of them?
No. Who's
Yeah.
putting?
I'm getting late, to be honest. I'm please, thank you. Nia, po manch.
Got it.
Heartburn is caused by stomach acids rising. Gaviscon double action neutralizes these and form.
Hey.
Say it's your last day. AK. So you at a beach club. Couldn't let you pass me.
I'm on the mission.
If I let you yeah, right now, show you what you missing.
I'm getting late, to be
honest. I'm kinda lit to be honest. I can picture your body, I wanna know me. But you're quite thick to be honest. But I ain't got guys to be falling. So we can just vibe till the morning, yeah. We're talking. DJ. Thanks.
Yabona manje okhuzele kanjalo. Zange ingane yema.
vibe is right, then I'll be there. I need any vibe again, remind me.
Ready?
I want to see you happy, it's getting lit tonight, I ain't love. Cause I'm in love, but I don't care what the baby say. Just go up, tell me how far. Just wanna be with you. I don't look at you, we got you popping. Don't stop it. It's getting lit to be honest. I'm kinda lit to be honest. I can picture your body, I wanna know me. But you're quite lit to be honest. But I ain't got good to be falling. So we can just vibe till the morning, yeah.
Ang nalo ka ba? Ang nalo. Oh my God.
It just makes so much sense. Oh my God. This just makes so much sense.
Kumastopoi eLondon. Angihambi eLondon. Oh. Angihambi akazi. Ngiyakubona ufresh uyathanda i-Afrobeat kodwa engiyayithanda. La. Ngavela ngathenga nami ngazi Ntombo. Kodwa uyabile 700 something. Lo? Ilini? So we didn't sleep today, Mos. You're enjoying. Yeah, show me. Hey, I'm not going to sleep today again. I'm joking. Kubona uyazi mama ngisho angibulaya ngabona. Run it up. I like the way I'm feeling now. Don't go lose or regret, for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. My make a small team when you stress me, but right now I'm chilling now.
The way I'm feeling is nothing to stress me. The way I run the game, I'm feeling like referee. No, like Moses parting the Red Sea, like a chauffeur, me in the back of the bed. So I step out, all white, can't say, what you want, rosé,
Champagne, I got that big bag.
back pain, taking the piss, the only time I can't aim.
I will just a good life.
Living every minute to the full, cause I could die. Pull up at the spot, open doors, and it's suicide. Chilling rent free, when the check please, couple hundred G's on a good night.
I like the way I'm feeling now. Don't go lose or regret, for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. My make a small team when you stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. Mandelia Sugarlulu, I buy shine, I buy champagne. Small my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. My make a small team when you stress me. Who's under them now? I like the way I'm feeling now. But make a small team and stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. But make a small team and all my blues under them now. Equality leyo shem her. Like I did not tell my again, and she has the best hair. And Yale by Sana too much to pay. How you just fell asleep? Oh, how my guys? You saying you out and fuck on the mind? I like it. Ngithenge cha inwele unless sengithi ngiyayidayisa ke mina ke bafethu. Amahle ufuthi thank you Sakile. Amahle next South Africa. Next Miss South Africa. Konke sikubeka kuNkulunkulu. Can we have a handle, babe? Oh, like a handle ya umuntu oyinwele. Cishe ngavuka ngitrend. But luckily my friend wabona ukuthi I'm live wazongivusa. Yo guys. So her handle, okay. Her handle is Hair with THARH. Guys, if you listen to Gabsy as a girl, Alisa, thank you so much, love. Who are you? Don't need to bother you, girl. To the party. Get to know your body. Making me feel this. Oh my God, need us. No, reach to someone else. You gotta go, get used to your body, making me feel this. Oh my God, need us. No, reach to someone else. See back up, tease me. She telling me, I got this is that portion. Manje uma mncane akaye. Ngihamba kusasa mina. Ngizohamba ngibo. Ngiyogqoka ngibo. Wena indaba incane kangani? Mase ukhona abantu abaneyama abantu ma? Making me feel this. Oh my God, need us. Don't reach to someone else. You gotta go, get used to. Making me feel this. Oh my God, need us. Don't reach to someone else. Ma? Ay, pala nga ako. Uzothenga uthengile ma. Ngitshela. Cha phela kodwa kuyafana ngithi uzothenga amanye. Kube khona amanye wabona amasha. Kanjani. Engathi yini? Oh, le ngathi isibuko sometimes ekuni. Bahati. Mana? Amusha lekhethi lelisha. Oh my God, you got it. Amalungiselelo sho, amalungiselelo. Awukahle na. Hayi cha. 100 mangithatha phi imali? Ngiyazi vele ukuthi izolo bufuna ukuthi bekumele abuhambile wayokwenza izipho kodwa. Bye. Cha kodwa ukubona basisuyidingile angayithola khona. Ukubona? Ma ngisayikhumbuli ngiyasho nje ukuthi ngisayikhumbuli Okay, so iqala phansi ke kuzobe yakho because mina ngisayidlala. Ini? Ipho yakho. Vula ngeya. Ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuvula ngoba ana ID. Ma? Ini? Are you there? Baby, are you there? Gishintshile vele. Baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. Baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. Yeah, baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. All day I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. Girl, I've been falling for you. You want it about the waist, girl, I've been falling, my love. Even the man them calling. Seeing how you want it. You know they give me warning. You put me on a long thing, we ain't even talking. You ain't even know like, girl, you got me locked in now. Give me one time, baby, give me one time. Make a rewind, me one time. No pain, no pain, no gain. No waving, no eye. No pain, no pain, no gain. 'Cause you know say I'm fine, you know I'm calling. You know when I answer. Ma? Garage. Izomugcina nibalekile. Yebo, sigcina sibalekile. Nesambile nje Lockdown, you got me lockdown. What are you up to? Nakho nje. Siyabona. We're player. Give me one time, like I one time, like I rewind, me one. You know when I answer. Maninga isihlalo. Baby, I got answer. I am calling. You know pick up the phone. Yeah, this mate is my cousin. But it's you know I'm calling. You don't wanna answer me. Baby, I've been calling. It's your fan. You don't wanna answer me. Yeah, baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. All day I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. Jangan suka minta. Ibu. picture.
So this will last longer for me. Yeah, take my secrets, got them like precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I write songs for you. So I write songs for you.
I really
And I believe, I'm falling for you like a thief.
yeah, ma, stop.
Mgwanga.
From your heart again.
Kazi.
Take my secrets, got them like precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I write songs for you.
So I write songs for you.
Opposition, they come left
and
and
right,
right,
so
but
I
I don't care. Nobody has trust, leave you.
No, I don't care.
Nobody but one. You are my only strength. I carry your war. I know that you're my best. And I believe I'm falling for you like a thief.
Take the wings
Cause when I see you, I feel the keys.
from your heart again.
And
Cause I believe
I'm falling for you like a thief. Cause when I see you, I feel the keys to your heart again. My baby brown, my baby good, my baby all the things I need. My baby bust up the silence, my baby bust up the silence. My baby brown, my baby good, my baby all the things I need. My baby bust up the silence, bust up the silence. So
big party girl.
I think it's a little bit for that.
Hi, my loves. How can I learn, Angela? Guys, listen to this song. Okay, you guys know it, but I love it so much. Ma? Ngaphela kuba umuntu wakaleza ngaba kanandaba. Ngabe unenkinga njalo.
Yes.
Yeah, I've thought about it, but it's just a lot of work. But in due time I will be opening a YouTube channel. Okay, manje guys, I'm just gonna start small, like with TikTok. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, spender. Give you
my best friend. I give you my last card, spender. Everything I do, I under, 50 under. You let me under, 50 understand.
contact. Allah, I'm if the comment. Allah,
Fix the problem.
thunder, thunder. In mana? I show you my best friend. I got you in this scandal. Give you my necklace, friend.
Show you my best friend. I give you my last guy, spend.
Everything I do, I under. And if you understand. Oh. Name of the song, it's Understand by Omale. Understand by Omale. Oh, I think it's too much. Oh my God. Ase ngiyakutshela le ngoma ngiyakutshela sana. Oh, yeah, we know you want. Hey, you are my woman, my superwoman.
Baby, love me non-stop.
I will love you non-stop,
Always just you want top.
baby, yo.
All about the world.
I want you.
Let the music don't stop. Your them dance to my song. Your them shake it bum bum.
And
See the wine now, I see fire for body. And if you follow me, go now. Enjoyment go kill 'em. Baby girl, you bad.
marry where you are.
I demand you bad, girl. I demand you bad, girl.
That's my favorite too. When they linked in.
My superwoman. I demand you
About if we said Afrobeat, guys, this was one.
bad, girl.
Thina ke Afrobeat sayithanda. Ungakoduma ukuthanda namakwerekwe. Sayithanda ungakoduma ukuthanda namakwerekwe. Angisho ukuthi khona inkinga ukuthanda namakwerekwe, but I'm just saying. Ayikho inkinga because nami I would.
Ghana girl say she want marry me, yo. I hope that she sabi kuku wache. Hope your love go sweet past the sheet up. Baby girl, I say, you're body like killer, oh. I get you tired of your body, only on your body. Can say, baby, why
Guys, phela wena you guys are gonna come from me ngithi mina inkinga ekuthanda nenawo. Ha ayikho nje inkinga. But sengisholo ukuthi Le ngoma saqala ukuyithanda way before. Guys, ngicela nibuke hey baba Ferina. Hey ngeke yabo lezi zinto lezi hlanganisa. I wanna go and get ready.
Gorgeous, gorgeous girl, but you ain't happy.
Man, guys, ngifuna ukudlala amaculo amnandi lapha, ngifuna ukudlala amaculo. Please, Painkiller after this. Okay, after this one, yes. After this one, Painkiller. What's in the bang? It's search.
Also on the beat.
Painkiller. Pain. Oh my God, she gonna run tonight and
Now she keeps wanting her mouth. Baby girl, I know what I did.
Hey, I'm using EGHD. Yakdala, not the new model. Yakdala, my GHD, but it's so good. It still works
You know I got a
good.
special spot to help you remember me. And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see. Oh, she's bright like an electric bulb, so everybody gets to see. Yeah. And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see.
And tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long.
Tonight you represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still
When
when
you
you
don't die young.
say
Tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long.
Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go
All the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight you go all the way with me, all the way with me.
Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Scared for loving, I may not boost. Me, I keep on dodging the midnight boost. I don't even mind you number two. Tell me what you want,
Why?
I could never be the number one guy. I don't even mind the number two. Tell me what you want, I want it too. You know I got a special spot to help you remember me. And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see. Oh, she's bright like an electric bulb, so everybody gets to see. Yeah. And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see.
Yeah.
But the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. Say tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me.
Lele life hawena. Basha ukuthi bengilele Man, you said my anger, Sean, I'm gonna die. Okay, we Pulani. I'm playing the song now.
I'm a refugee and I came and I grew in the south side of London.
Angilazi ke leli
Uptown here, but opposite the road you can find me in a dungeon.
kwesamisizwe awumini siyemini Zanzibar ngicela ungifake kwi-suitcase ngingakobi nayo ilo i-passport sakhulula ngani sekuthiwa yizo lezi
Way before the glow, they get the move naughty. Evil gods, they tell you don't die. I'm too tempted to get high. Too tempted for desire. I'm hitting temperature's fire.
that feeling. Fuck, ngifake ingoma wrong.
What else? Your body will kill me. I'm gonna be born, baby. Rock town. Darling, your body will kill me. What else? Realize, say the groupies and the side chicks or they be lies. They wear bikini intentionally to show ties. Nobody compared to my baby cause they be low price. We get the one in the boys, they be friendly tundra. Now the most we came with a memo that the lumba. Yes, but they be some that cannot cry in the gunsa. Capita to the fear cause I'm a dupia the boompa. Yeah, boys, they are so supported. I mean, swimming job or she be just a uniform. So they go private to go, she be just a backpack. Cause they get a meaning until I be swimming in the form of Wakra.
Who knows that she's eyeing a room now?
I want to marry you till I be
I got a Lilia for
the testimony, the share when I mean your type. What's on you would you look around and your size? What the woman and the no be money, no be high. Come on, pair with the do, love me in the eyes. Finally, I will bet you my coma like the Holy Ghost. And can yeah, it took me so long to get you to the start. Can't wait, I will never let you go, me dollar.
There's someone who comments.
Body, crib, got it, job on it.
Did I ever
Ask you to take me to go
shopping in Paris or go?
sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no.
All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs.
No, I never had an issue, go to the club.
Just happy man, you got happy man,
I never wanted you to stay. I just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name.
Music is just happy man.
When you want me, it ain't no
Telefonu umwana
you
nayo
acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me
nje
baby.
bengibuza nje umbuzo ongasila kanje.
Cause I'm playing games.
Playing games. I say you're on your mind and that you want this back, so I'm cool with that.
I'm just trying to match your words with your actions.
I need more satisfaction.
Did you really feel that action?
Really wanna get you off
Flex in front of your friends.
all that work,
Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted.
all that work.
When you talking, back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that you acting kinda shady.
I'm not too much.
Baby,
Boy,
cause I'm playing games.
playing games.
We got London on the track.
No, like your mother allowance, the monthly allowance, do you get it from parents or working and stuff? Ukuba ubuze kanjalo esiqaleni. Ukuyibuza kanjalo seqala ngeke sakuphendula ke because siqala ngiphaphela honestly like respectfully. Ngeke nje sakuphendula. Angithi nonke nale narrative yokuthi amantombazane ayithandayo, amantombazane ayinakekelayo. Angisho ukuthi amanye ayinakekela, okay, mhlawumbe agqoka ama-weave njani. You guys have a narrative yokuthi ama-blesser and stuff. Think whatever you wanna think, okay? Stay your best, I know.
Correct God, man.
No. How? Guys, okay, look, I'm gonna show you guys. Oh yeah, vale laptop yam. Remana. Ungiphathele i-charger lapha ezantsi. I-charger ye-laptop. I-charger ye-laptop. Isekamereni lami. Okay. Ngeke ngisakwazi ukusebenzisa i-ayina-ke ma-E because ngidinga uku-charge. Ma! Iblem! Lama-plug lamaningi, oh! Le plug lamaningi. Iblento le nama-plug amaningi, le yokuplug uku-charge. No, hayi le bomvu. Oh, okay, nice, sure. Ngitholile mina othisizayo. Uthi ngibe ngicharge ifoni. Ngitholile, thile bo. Uyapha nozipho manje? Uyapha? Ma, anginayo mfethu, kube nginayo zonke. Khona umngane wami uthi uzongikhokhela imali yami. Uyakhokha-ke yena. Ngikwenza ukusho ku-live. But ngizokutshela. Ngikwazi ukusho ku-live phela into leyo. Sambe umshintshile yibo.
Wangcono.
Umshintshile mamenza igoda ley'nwele. Kwangcono, kwaku-right, kwakuhle. Ugali bengayiboni ngikutshela inkinga yena. Ugali bengayiboni inkinga ngathi mina kanjani manje? Uyabona ukuthi mina ngenziwe njani wena waye omunye. The sister is sihle mesilo, mesikheliwe. Can I see the project you're using for him? Oh, it's this. And this. For Guasha, Tresemme. And what else? Yeah. For Russian treatment, Tresemme.
Come on.
Come on.
Ngoba masefuna ukuyidlovuza ngempela ke imali yakhe. Dlovuza ngempela. Thumele ekhaya. Amahle kukhumbe khona kube khona ugodo kwenzeka layo. Manje nje ngithi na khona kuzokha amaroom andi abe maningi.
Oh, besho njalo. So ngicabanga ningi wena.
Hayi amahle. Still ithole indawo. ngiwusaphi isamba sa-100,000 100 and something thousand wabona imali sekhokha lapha
Please share address yakho khona ngizobona kuzomna. Ungiphile. Akaphuzile. Hayi ngiyakwazi ukumbona kutshela. Ngiyakwazi ukumbona. Ubewasha.
Are you serious? Are you kidding me? What's the deal?
I some
It's the one you talking about that's supposed to take my place down. Is this for real?
Wait, ngicela ubuke
It's almost
ngisebenzisa lezi zinto lezi.
that's a downgrade and you know it. Still your
Kade
best.
ngibatshela lapho ukuthi girl
Still your
ngibani
best.
nathenga imali and she has a Black Friday sale.
When you wanna come back,
Mbani
lay you back
nezibutha.
on your back and do you
She
just
also
like
has
that.
Lagos hair
It's the way
line.
that I grab.
Ja?
Your body knows me, yes. Still your best. I don't want your heart.
Everyone's I will let you know. Ungaphathi kombhede wami cabanga.
It's bad, so you make me go.
I know. I best I know. Now when I heard it.
It's unfair, I know that I gotta wait. Just confess right now. Go ahead and say it.
I'm going
Go ahead and say it. Baby, it's okay. That's a downgrade,
You know it.
still your best. Oh,
Still your best.
when you wanna come back, yeah. I lay you back on your back and do you just like that. Miss the way that I grab. Yeah. Your body knows me, yes. Still your best.
I want you back. Still wanna let you know.
But my love is home. Just wanna let you know. I don't want your heart.
As we fall,
I don't want you back.
just wanna let you know.
Say my love is bad. So you let me go. But my love
I'm gonna show you the hair after.
is you know.
After I used to like the song so much back in grade 11. After this song, I'm going to bed because I think I have 59 minutes to get ready. And then this is your homework. Please do drop a hair plug. Hair with tar. Hair with tar. Angazi guys ngizopin up mina lento lena. Angazi ngizopin up. But oops, I know that. Hair with tar, guys. Angazi ngizopina kanjani. I don't know how you do it. But with Bianca, let me know if ungamtholi. DM me. Ngikusendele lokhu nje. Oops. Bathanda ngizokutext manje sho. Ngiyaqeda le life manje vele. Sengiqedile ukayini. I don't know about you, but it ain't no. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you to the If you let me love you. And if you, okay, that's my shush. My way, baby. And a highway, baby. If you let me love you, see it ain't let me got a visa. One night tease. Oh, I'm falling. And I know for the first time I see you love, you got me, baby. If I'm not gonna know, hey. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling. Everyone falls in love sometime. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till I'm all alone. If you let me love you. If you let me touch you, And if you want me, and if you let me love you now, it's true, on my knees, so long as love me right now. It's true, I'm a freak. And if you want me, I'm falling. Everyone falls in love sometime. I don't know about you, but it ain't. I don't know if I should hold comb this part, cause I don't like it like this. Okay. To the na na na. If you let me love you. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do again when we realize. Mustn't get your kids. Yeah, wax and hot comb. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wax it and hot comb it. These are clothing items of Flender. Oh, the sides, ne? Ukuthi angithandi ngathi manje amabhampu alana. It's 2:30 in the morning.
It's 2:30
In the morning. And I ain't getting. Nah.
I have to kiss so you don't throw it in. No.
I'm sorry, I have
But you
life.
get crazy when you're horny.
Bengi I have life because I'm gonna amasebenza khona. Kade yagcina kodwa usasebenza khona kodwa manje. But yeah, just because of her.
Made up in your head. Money is made for your time.
It's alright.
And nothing I pay for that shit that I bought you.
I usually install Ohe is the best, and this one it's like Lana walandeli headline yam in 1994 no sip. Where do you get your wigs? I get my wigs from Hair with Tar. Hair with Tar. Rather be with you with all your bullshit. Rather be with you with all your bullshit. I'd rather be with you with all your bullshit. Rather be with you with all your bullshit. Yo, all I can say is that she's the best in the game. That's all I can say. If nawe unama products alright, ezinwele yonke into izohamba. Okay, I'm gonna play this song, classic song, and then I'm gonna go back because this cat's young shy my ear. And she nani. Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. I'm back and I'm better. I want you better as ever.
Don't let me just let up. I wanna get you better.
Baby, it's forever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody. Oh, you just see the fit up. I am on a whole other level.
Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better.
There's in this show any other. Do what I can just to show you you're special.
Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe.
Gotta be sick of the sky. Pull up skirt.
Get in the right.
Hey.
The other is ripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high.
Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing.
Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Hey, this song for him, just fit.
Don't. Girl, you keep on playing games and your loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame if you were mine. And as you hot, baby, don't obey. Got the pussy girl, can I be famed?
Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But you the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you a word, baby, when you get space, then gang, give me late.
Baby, let's penetrate, oh baby. Do. Yes, I'm ready to get so true. And I'm gonna cut it some more. Gonna cut it up, and in the sun, and in the sun, and in the sun,
H-Town got me feeling so thrown. H-Town got me feeling so thrown. Rob paint in the sip, can it fold? H-Town got me feeling so thrown. Spit fire in the room so cold. H-Town got me feeling so thrown.
baby, it's all I have. Don't. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Ah là là, il va faire ça, il va y avoir, bye bye. I'm going to meet up with friends.
Yeah, wow. I'm pulling up wacky and grease. I came a long way from the east. She leaving her cream on the sheets. My brother say he want a niece. When I'm with you, it's a safe space. Baby, you bringing me peace. You know how I get in the street. Yeah, I wanna cuddle for weeks. Don't mama don't think that you innocent. I know you turn into a freak. Don't really care about your exes. Whatever it is, it can be. They playing, I'm making them see. I know you swinging on her by the D. I had to comb out the dreads. She fell in love with the braids. Got a bitch, she cooking clean, and she'll load up the caves. Your body got me in the days. It don't matter the look, you get slayed. Her face card never decline. Man, fuck out and make up you fine. Better tell all them niggas you mine. She $1 way more than a dime. When I'm with you, I get nervous. It gotta be love, it's a sign. Yeah.
Oh my God, it's about it.
Fuck what you bring to the table, cause babe, you the table, I'm eating this dime.
And you say you're my baby, you know you're my twin. And it's coming to me. Baby, only you know how much I do, how much I do.
You need a nigga to mold you.
You got me older.
He a little boy and I told you. Why you keep
And she said that I'm not the
He
one.
Eliante and Frozen. Now you a belt polar. Play with a cat, Doja. Throw that shit back like a poster. Trust me, I'm taking it easy. I really wanna get Nikki.
So okay, sorry, my end.
I want a piece, no receipt. She saying, babe, come meet me at the salon.
I'm gonna end the live and then I'm gonna come back.
Sheila, Louis, and CC. No 2K, I got VC. Grab on that ass when she greet me. I heard of your nigga, he sweet tea. Cut me, don't release me. Talk about me and your story.
Sime suba. Khuluma ngani? Oh, inalezi ayina. Awuvele nje ayina emisahanga. Ayina ngani? Only you know how much I do. How much I do.
I pray for so many of you right now. Of my life, I dedicate.
I dedicate. It's okay, it's not gonna end.
It all to you.
Now it's something like, I know. Think I know. What's that? Oh no, she don't. Oh.
We got London on the track.
I should've known better.
Can't even pretend like I don't want it again.
Oh no, bring all the time.
Thinking of all the things that we did.
You did something.
Shit like this don't happen.
Did too much. And you put it down. And now no one else around.
Got me thinking I'm still on the wild side.
Where are my guys? What's some other guys? Where you?
Look in my eyes, helping me nice and slow.
You really wanna come true, caught after two.
Just to put it down on you.
You really wanna be